77 people have died across India after being infected, while the number of positive cases rose to 3,374, Health Ministry said today. Over 33% of the cases have been linked to a religious gathering of the Tablighi Jamaat at Delhi's Nizamuddin Markaz last month, the Health Ministry said, adding that these positive patients are spread across 17 states and union territories. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also appealed to people to light candles and diyas or switch on torches or mobile phone flashlights for 9 minutes at 9 p.m. today to illuminate the common purpose we are all fighting for. President Donald Trump yesterday said he requested Prime Minister Narendra Modi to release orders placed by the United States with Indian pharmaceutical companies for hydroxychloroquine doses, which he has personally touted as a game changer in the fight against the coronavirus, as per a media report. Trump told reporters at the daily White House briefing on the coronavirus outbreak that he had called Modi and urged him to release the amounts we ordered, and added they are giving it serious consideration. Former Deputy Chief Minister of Manipur, Dr. Laishangtham Chandramani Singh, passed away at 11:50 p.m. last night at Advanced Hospital, Imphal. He was 85. A report said he experienced a stroke. Dr. Chandramani joined politics in 1972 and later served as Deputy CM twice, Speaker and Minister. He served as President of Manipur People's Party and also as office bearers of Congress and Manipur State Congress Party. Based on reliable information, a team of Churachandpur police arrested 2 inane militants from Churachandpur district yesterday during operation. The arrested has been identified as 52-year-old Paukam Haukip of Tuibong Churachandpur and 44-year-old Changmang Haukip of Zeongbang Ke Langhom village. A case has been registered at Churachandpur police station in this regard. Indian Red Cross Society Manipur State Branch extended aid to Loitongbam Dhanachandra Singh's family of Utlau Mayalaikai, Bishnupur district, whose house was destroyed in a major fire on the evening of March 3 last. The Red Cross team handed over kitchen items, towels and 2 mosquito nets to the fire victims. With an aim to control COVID-19 pandemic and make the masses follow the guidelines laid down by government during the lockdown, an all-Sora COVID-19 control team has been formed under the leadership of Kakching District Upadhyaksha Muhammad Nijamuddin yesterday. Kakching District Superintendent of Police Victoria Yankom and her subordinate officers and Palel Primary Health Center officials are part of the team. A COVID-19 Relief Committee Bishnupur has been formed to provide assistance to the people of Bishnupur constituency. The committee was formed after a meeting at Bishnupur CI College Road, which was attended by Manipur Pollution Control Board Chairman and Oinam constituency MLA L. Radhakishore, among others.